Let's do a quick tutorial on painting. This is going to be painting a thing. I'm doing a grid there because I'm painting an apartment building and there's lots of stuff. So I'm just writing blobs. Like, look how undetailed that is. Let's abandon the idea of perfection for a moment and just sort of lay out in really rough. And then I'm taking the darkest color I'm going to use, which is this sort of coffee brown liquid watercolor. See, there it is. And I'm putting it in all the darkest spots in my painting. This is a Led Zeppelin album cover that I'm working on. See, and I'm just adding some of the darker details. And after I've done that, I sort of pick that yellowy brown color and do the medium shades. Oh, I made a mistake there. And then this is a black watercolor pencil, and I'm just going over to do a little bit of the detail in the woodwork and the ladders on the building. And then I add the words in red ink and then just do a few more details, and that's it. And yeah, I hope that you try painting something like this. I only used a few colors to make it easier, and it was really fun. It was really fun to just try.